Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived an old farmer named Hari. He had 3 sons. All 3 were strong and healthy, but they always argued with each other. Every day, they fought over silly things. Who would work in the field? Who would bring water from the well? Or who deserved a bigger share of food? They shouted, complained, and sometimes even refused to talk to one another. Hari, the old farmer, was very worried. He knew that a family that fights all the time can never stay happy. He wanted to teach his sons the importance of unity. One morning, when his sons were quarreling again, Hari called them to his side. He gave each of them a stick and said, "Break this stick into 2 pieces." Each son took a stick and, with little effort, snapped it easily. They laughed, thinking it was a silly game. Then Hari tied a bundle of 10 sticks together with a rope and handed it to the eldest son. "Now try to break this bundle," he said. The eldest son tried with all his strength, but the bundle did not break. The second son tried next. He pressed hard, bent it, even hit it against the ground. But still, the bundle stayed strong. Finally, the youngest son tried. He too failed to break the bundle of sticks. The sons looked at each other in surprise. Hari then said gently, "My sons, you see, when you were alone, like a single stick, you were weak and could be broken easily. But when you are together, united like this bundle of sticks, no one can break you. If you keep fighting among yourselves, others will take advantage of you. But if you stay united, you will always be strong." The sons understood the lesson. They felt ashamed of their constant fighting. From that day forward, they promised their father that they would work together, share their duties, and stand by each other in every situation. Hari smiled with relief, knowing his family had learned the true power of unity.